This is a 2025 Cimarron North Star 2-horse straight load bumper pole with a side ramp. As you can see, it is in beautiful silver metallic skin. This particular model is 6'10" wide and 7'7" tall, and I've forgotten the length, but you can see that on our website at trailercountryllc.com. All the specs are going to be listed there, including the length. If you're not familiar with the Cimarron trailer, they're an all aluminum trailer. That's aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. And then they have an insulated fiberglass roof. It's 2 layers of gel coated fiberglass with a 1/2-inch honeycomb insulation that's gonna keep your horses super, super cool on those hot sunny days in that trailer. Much cooler than an aluminum roof, even an aluminum insulated roof. This is gonna be super strong and super, super cooling, because it just doesn't absorb and radiate the heat quite like aluminum does. Also a little quieter, I would say, especially if it's raining versus a metal roof. That is going to be a quieter product there. Cimarron horse trailers are insulated in the walls of the horse area, so that's going to have some insulating properties, obviously, that's going to make things quieter and cooler as well when the sun's beating down on the side of these trailers in some of these hot climates that we have. Cimarron's always going to have aluminum wheels. So you can see the aluminum wheels there on this trailer, and you get 5 of those. All 5 of these tires and wheels are going to match. So your aluminum wheel is here in the dressing room. That is your spare tire. At Cimarron, you do have some great tire warranties, like a 1-year no questions asked tire warranty, some roadside assistance. There are some other things that go along with that, and that's just going to be standard on your Cimarron trailers. So again, this is a 2025 Cimarron North Star 2-horse straight load bumper pole with a side ramp. We have a great dressing room here. It's 5 foot on the short wall, 6 foot on the long wall, I believe. Does that make sense? No, that's going to be into the nose here. Double check my specs on the website. I try to check my specs before I walk out, but Lord knows I forget by the time I get out here. That is a clothing bar in the ceiling. We have a blanket pole and 2 saddle racks. They are adjustable in here. You can take them off. You can switch their positions. You can separate them more, shove them all to the top, whatever makes you happy there. We have a window between the horse area and the dressing room. 12 bridle hooks with carpet behind all those bridle hooks. So that's nice. Your things don't rub up against the wall in here. Rubber mat on the dressing room floor, and a brush box. We've also done an upgrade here and added this step at the dressing room. That's not going to be standard, but we do have that one in this particular trailer. Again, this nice side ramp on this model. We have a sliding bar on the side ramp, so if at any point you use this trailer as a box stall, your horse won't come jumping out of that side ramp if you open that up. There's that window between the horse area and the dressing room. And they've also put a bar here over the escape door in this trailer. We've upgraded to a bar style head divider and divider. That's going to create a lot of airflow from side to side. The standard is solid, and I just feel like that kind of blocks the airflow. So we like to do a bar style and give those horses a lot of air from side to side. 2 pop-up roof vents in that fiberglass roof, padded breast and butt bars, padded divider. This divider can also move to the side. So we have a position here in the floor and in the ceiling, so that if you wanted to move this divider over to the side and have it store there, then you can easily have a box stall here. A lot of times people ask me about a box stall. This trailer is so equipped for that purpose. I'm going to show you a feature on the escape door when we get to the other side as well. We have full-length running boards on anywhere that doesn't have a side ramp, so you can see a bit of running board there. On the other side, we're going to see a full-length running board. It has the extruded aluminum siding at the bottom. One thing about the Cimarron extruded aluminum that I don't see in all the trailers, it's a 2-layer product. So the Cimarrons are a little bit more expensive, but there are a lot of reasons for that. One is the aluminum wheels, one's the full-length running boards, the drop-down window, which is an addition in this particular trailer. But that extruded aluminum is a very high-quality product. It's, like I said, it's 2 layers. So you have the ribbed metal on the outside, and it's flat on the inside. If we peeled that rubber off the inside of the wall, we're going to see a nice flat aluminum on the inside, because that's a 2-layer product. So that's where your horses are standing. That's where your horses are kicking. If there was an impact to the trailer that was really going to affect the horses, it would be right there on the sides. So that's really nice that that is a super strong product happening there on the Cimarron trailer. You can see that we have load lights on the side of the trailer as well as the rear of the trailer. So if you're working in the dark, packing in the dark, your horse is standing outside in the dark, you've got some really nice LED lights there on the outside. Great LED lights on the inside of this trailer. This thing gets lit up really, really nicely. Huge LED lights. We have switches on the back of the trailer for those. One for each of your load lights, and then your interior lights are on a separate one. Your dressing room light is going to have its own switch inside of the dressing room. Another feature of this trailer is that it is 5,200 pound axles. So it's quite a bit bigger than your standard 2-horse bumper pull. We want to make sure that if you load this thing up with all the things you own and your biggest horses, you're not going to have any problem there. So this trailer does have 5,200 pound axles, and those are 16-inch wheels on this trailer. So you are ready to haul your biggest horses and your biggest load. Rear ramp with top curtains. That side ramp also had a top curtain. All those curtains do have sliding windows. Again, there's that full-length running board that I mentioned a minute ago. We have rubber mats on top of our aluminum floor here. You can remove the divider. You can slide the divider to the side. You have a couple of options there. One of the things I wanted to show you about a box stall. People often ask me about making their trailer into a box stall. They want to know if the divider is removable. It is in almost every trailer of today, but this is the important feature here, is this latch on the outside of the door. This latch can be opened from the inside, so if your horse is loose in here and they grab the inside of that latch, they can open this door. And then guess what? Our horse is now on the outside. So we have this added latch here that's going to be standard on the Cimarron trailers, so that if you want to use this trailer as an open box stall, you can certainly do that. Again, we have a drop-down window on this escape door. So with the sliding windows that we have all around, the sliding window in the top curtain, the drop-down or slider in this escape door, the roof vents, the insulated roof, the insulated horse area walls, that bar-style divider and head divider, this trailer is nice and cool in your hottest climates. Again, it's a beautiful metallic silver skin that changes depending on what side of the trailer we are on right now, because the sun is beating down pretty heavily on one side of the trailer. This is a 2025. This trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. And you can see the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com. My arms aren't that long. Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia. Specs are at trailercountryllc.com. You can also see the photos. If you have any questions about pricing or options and amenities, please feel free to give me a call.